He'll end up in there. Try and trap him. Come here. Come here. No, come here.
Oh, you can't trap him.
Come here. No, I'm not going to hurt you. I'm not going to hurt you. Go away. Go away.
That's the mum.
Did you hear the noise he made?
Yeah.
He's flying up and down all day. No, up with him. Go. Like, he's not coming in. Lucky the other ones are not joining in. He'll fly onto that roof now, hopefully.
Maybe you should put the food away
With
there.
a bit of luck. Fly away, I think I have to take the advice if he carries on with this. Right, they'll just put him, they'll feed him up and then let him. There he is.
Okay.
That's it. Just keep out of this bloody garden. They can fly, they fly up and down the street.
I think it's.
He doesn't know he's supposed to go to the beach.
It doesn't know he's meant to go to the beach. And the beach is moments away. There's the beach, down the end of the drive.